Hello guys, Kid Perfect here, and today I'm going to be opening some packs on FIFA. It's kind of FIFA, but it's Foothead. It's a really cool website. Go and check it out. The link will be in the description. Okay, so I've just got so I'm on my desk right now, guys, and we're going to be opening some packs. So first off, I have got a Lacazette. You can see, and yeah, that's really sick. So I'm going to go on next pack, see what I get. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It's an inform. We've got Ozil. Is it the 91? It's a 91 Cam Ozil. Bruh. Look at that. The 91. Wait, sorry. 91 Cam Ozil. That is super sick. Right, we're gonna go on to our next pack now, guys. So see what we get. Exciting! Oh, it's a Vincent Company. It's not form. Oh, what a pack! You ready for this, guys? So I have just got TikTok. Whoa! What, Felipe Luis, Vincent Company. I've got him as well. He's a really fucking sick face. And we've got a little Matuidi right there. So we'll open one more pack and one more of these packs and get some sick look at the moment. And then we're gonna open a different pack, I think. Oh, this is it's a walkout. Hazard! That's Hazard! Oh my god! Guys! Look at that. I've got Kimmich and Adaris. Stuff. And I've got this is such a rare inform, the 86. Wait, it's not showing because I need to push it. Right, then there's an 86 Carasso. That is super sick. Right, I'm gonna go back onto some different packs. Go up. Packs. Let's see what we get in our other different type of packs. So we're gonna go for a FIFA 17 TOTKS pack. I know what it means. It's just easier to say that. Seems so. For God's sake! Nobody even showing you. I've got him he's the best, but it's one. I'll put him in my clue. Can you see that? There you go. Okay, it's going to be a few more packs. I'm not going to open the generation packs because that's for a different video. Which will be secret. Okay. Let's do this thing. So, what's next one? Oh my god. That. Oh! Oh my! Oh, forgot. Look at that first line. Look, we've got Isco, yeah? Mustafi. Farina. Just a Varane. Look at it. Oh, and we've got Ale. It looks like they're decent. That was a decent pack opening, guys. Hope you enjoyed. So peace out.